Hi, how are you? I'm Klaus George, an author and motivation speaker, and today I just want to share a message of how you can become great. And to become great is very simple. There's a saying we say, to be great, you don't have to be great, but you just have to begin to become great. So it's a step, it's a journey you need to travel one step at a time. So you have to start where you are. Also, there is a saying which says that 1,000 steps begin with one step. If it's so, don't say that I don't have that skills, I don't have that knowledge, I don't have that talent, I don't have the resources. You just have to trust yourself. You just have to start with what you have to become who you want to be in future, because you have all what it takes to become who you want to be in future. Okay, so this message is just to encourage you to begin where you are, to begin to become great and achieve that big goal than yourself. Thank you. Until next time, it's your host, Clash. Bye.